So, in today's edition of Jonny wasting money on an old piece, the restoration of the Series 2A Land Rover, me and old mate Miles, we're going to tuck into removing the flat deck and the front tub. From there, we will be able to assess just how bad the rust is. Now, to remove this flat deck, you're going to need a couple of things. An angle grinder, maybe two, a hammer, vice grips, pliers, and one of these things. I'm talking about the PPE, the safety glasses, and the earmuffs. So, enjoy as you watch us struggle, well, relatively speaking, to remove the flat deck. Now, of course, the best way to approach this was with brute force and ignorance. Would you care to say that again, Miles?
The chassis is mint. She's mint, Avery.
And make sure you let me know that I can't spell for shit in the comments. Thanks. And that was it for this weekend. So the following weekend we decided to tackle the tubs. Once all of the water blasting had dried off and I got a better look, the rust was evident. Now we just gotta cut these bad boys. We'll see if we can unplug them first, before getting to. There'll be that hoary aftermarket for those bottom lights, I'm guessing. Oh, too greedy. Should really get my side cutters. Oh yeah, Christmas fucking They're like downlights for some house, these things. That's good. Is it? What even was that? And the last bolt. Thank fuck for that. Nice. Oh, the bullets are the fuck's sake. Now, obviously, if you're going to make a clutch and brake fluid reservoir, yeah, let's make it out of steel to contain something that readily absorbs moisture. Great idea. And I thought I would just take this moment to ponder my own existence and life choices. Otherwise, what you can see is years and years of neglect and crap and crud. And we just decided the best way to get it off would be hit it with some degreaser and then water blast the absolute shit out of it. So here you can see the absolute worst of the rust. This is the passenger footwell with a hodgepodge repair job, and the same artist has also taken a stab at the driver's footwell, although it's not so bad. You can also see a little bit of rust in the firewall, but nothing that can't be fixed. And here is a view from the inside. So from this angle it might pass an inspection. When the inspector gets under the car, he will definitely see the rust. This is where the flat deck was resting on the chassis rail. This has happened because wet wood and metal don't mix, and they've been together for only God knows how long. This Land Rover probably came from a universe where rear shock absorbers were an optional extra. And in case my video confused anyone as to what I thought the rear cross member was, this is the rear cross member. It is 100% getting replaced with one of these repair parts. They're only about $433 excluding GST, and that sounds like a hell of a lot less work than fabricating one. So all in all, not too bad. A little bit of rust here and there, but nothing I can't fix. Now, next episode, I've got a little treat for you guys. A car we flipped to make some cash to fund this money pit. Take a stab in the comments as to what you think that car could be. Thank you for watching.